I'm not a player, I just crush a lot of dishes. And if you don't believe I can, check my Instagram, bitches.
It was all a dream, I read it in Gourmet magazine. Sourdough, you don't even need a bread machine. Tartine, results right in your own kitchen. Wife so happy, sex in all the positions. Got me thinking of a master plan, but these recipes are hard as a prison yard. Damn, don't wanna be rolling down the street smoking endo. I wanna be rolling out this wheat making bread dough.
First I gotta go get my little cruise it. I got it for my wedding, but I barely ever use it.
I got my sourdough, started but it's harder to make bread than it looks. Oh, I got my sourdough, started but it's harder to make bread than it looks. Oh, doesn't rise, doesn't prove what I do, I don't know. I got my sourdough. Now in my younger days I used to sport a bag of 00. Now I ain't trying to be a hero, a godfather like Pacino or De Niro. I just wanna be a master baker. What? This is stressing me, testing me, I'm obsessing, no blessing. It's exhausting and depressing, upsetting. Go shopping, what's it costing? I'm unfettered, better get a recipe to try, but it better be better with butter than what I can buy.
I'm not a player, I just crush a lot of dishes. And if you don't believe I can, check my Instagram, bitches.
Started but it's harder to make bread than it looks. Oh, I got my sourdough. Started but it's harder to make bread than it looks. Oh, doesn't rise, doesn't prove what I do, I don't know. I got my sourdough.
We can make it, baby, if we bake it. Wanna need your dough. Will you lick my spoon? We can make it, baby, if we bake it. Wanna need your dough. Will you lick my spoon?
Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to bake, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of bullshit. What, you Julia Child up in your kitchen with your KitchenAid? Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to bake, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of bullshit. What, you Julia Child up in your kitchen with your KitchenAid?
Better know the sourdough's a wetter dough. It's harder to ship tighter, but it's better for the body. Yo, I read it in the media. Can't say that I believe it though. They're greedier and greedier. And what was healthy yesterday, today I shouldn't eat it. Bad as poison, so confusing. Yes, I feel defeated. Got nothing left to do but keep on beating it and beating it. Man, I'm talking dough. I'm talking kneading it and kneading it to get the window panes. The pain I'm in is deepening, driving me insane. I'm up all night. I can't get sleeping in. Only day 14 of quarantine. You get my meaning when I say the Chardonnay is gone. I don't have any reason to keep living.
Oh no, Mom. The kids are great. They're in the living room watching television.
We can make it, baby, if we bake it. Wanna need your dough. Will you lick my spoon? We can make it, baby, if we bake it. Wanna need your dough. Will you lick my spoon?
I'm not a player, I just crush a lot of dishes. And if you don't believe I can, check my Instagram, bitches.
Alright, here comes the guard. Here comes the Tim. You gotta get the fuck out of here. Gotta go. Alright, you're good.
Good. Nice.